Let's learn how an imperative sentence in direct or indirect speech is expressed in Hindi.
Fine. How to express in Hindi. Father said to me, do not spend more than you earn.
पिताजी ने मुझसे कहा कि जितना कमाते हो उससे अधिक खर्च मत करो.
And indirect, Father advised me not to spend more than I earned.
As above.
The teacher said to the students, do not write on the walls.
अध्यापक ने छात्रों से कहा कि दीवारों पर मत लिखो.
The teacher forbade the students to write on the wall.
As above.
The peon said, please excuse me this time.
राशि ने कहा, कृपया इस बार मुझे क्षमा कर दीजिए.
The peon requested to be excused that time.
As above.
He said to God, have mercy upon me.
It is, उसने भगवान से कहा कि मुझ पर दया करो.
He prayed to God to have mercy upon him.
As above.
He said to me, let us go to the exhibition this evening.
It is, उसने मुझसे कहा कि आओ शाम को प्रदर्शनी देखने चलें.
He proposed that we should go to exhibition that evening.
As above.
I said to my friend, go for a walk to maintain health.
मैंने अपने मित्र से कहा कि स्वस्थ रहने के लिए सैर को जाओ.
I suggested to my friend that he should go for a walk to maintain health.
As above.
I see. Thank you. That should do for now.
All right. We will continue with remaining part of this lesson next time.